gas in the sucker.
We knew it was fresh.
Yeah. Oh, look at him go.
What are we doing here? Look, he's at a gallop now.
40. Turn around, yes. Oh, he's got a big bell on him, you see?
Look at the size of it.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's gonna turn on you.
that's gorgeous.
Come on, sucker, turn.
Now we've got an issue.
Yep. He's tired.
I think I better start back. I can't back up that fast, can I?
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Oh, that's the first time for me.
Shit, you pissed him off. Oh, fuck.
Holy shit, he came fast. I don't know how fast this thing would back up.
You better fuck off. Oh, shit.
Holy great. Have you ever seen that?
No, I've heard stories of putting their hooves through their front windows.
That'd be a hard accident report to write up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he'd hurt you.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
You told him to turn around too. It's your fault.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, thank goodness.